Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I want to introduce my non-Indian friends to this amazing versatile vegetable. This is a bottle gourd, also known as Lauki, ghia, Dudhi, and other names in India. It is a beloved vegetable in India. This one is about 16, 17 inches long. This is my favorite. This is from my garden, but you can buy them in Asian stores and Indian stores. They come in different shapes and sizes. They're very versatile and they're used in many different dishes. It's also known as superfood because it is so low in calories and high in nutrients that it's very diet friendly. You want to buy a Lauki that is smooth and you want it to be firm and you want it to be the skin to be tender, so you know that it is tender on the inside. You don't want to do this too often, but if I stick my nail in it, it just goes in without any pressure. I want to show you what you can do with it. I'm going to first cut it in half because it's pretty long. It cut easily. There's hardly any seeds. It's a prized possession here. Just what you want, okay? It's easy to peel and dice. There are so many ways to cook Lauki. One of the easiest and most common way to cook it is to season it with basic Indian spices and stew it until it is soft and creamy. I can eat it by the bowlful. Yum. Now, once I've peeled it, I'm just gonna cut in half. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's just awesome, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna dice it. The more tender it is, the easier it is to cook. Okay. Now, these, they're often put in dals, cooked with the dal. They're cooked by themselves, dry or stew-like. And they can also be made into soup with some tomatoes. You can also put them in dals, like Chana dal is very popular, which is Bengal gram dal or baby chickpeas. You can also put them in sambar, which is tur dal. So this is often used in whatever way you like. Then what you can do with it is you can also grate it. When I grate it, you can see how much liquid is in there. You can make fritters with it. You can make koftas, which are vegetable balls. I'll make them in season and freeze them so they're really easy to use. You can also boil this and put them in raita or make a raita out of it, which is put it in yogurt, or you can cook it and turn it into halwa. Lauki halwa, Dudhi halwa is very common, which is a dessert. All right, so from appetizer to dessert, enjoy your Lauki, enjoy your bottle gourd, grow them, pick them before they dry, and enjoy. I froze a bunch of koftas, which I made them from my previous Lauki. And now these are veggie balls, and they will come in super handy for my kofta curry when I want to make it. Check out the recipes on my website, cuisineofindia.com. Until next time, happy healthy cooking.